Hello, my name is Minami Kainama. I'm from Sholing Global High School, and I will be the opposition side. I begin my speech. We believe that international law does not need to include an overriding official obligation to protect and preserve microbial extraterrestrial life. First, I will explain my position, and then I will respond to my opponent's argument. First of all, we believe that a law cannot come before exploration. When we have a rule or law, we make a moral decision between right or wrong. But how can we make a decision between right or wrong when we don't know what is there? For example, if we encounter life that has no benefit or harm for us, it wouldn't have many effects. However, if we find a microbe that could make us live 1,000 years more, that will definitely change the way we see ourselves as human beings and change our moral responsibility to other people in a very interesting way. If the being were dangerous to us, we would be concerned with creating laws to protect ourselves from them. Morality is always responsive to the condition we encounter. We have to understand the situation. Understand the situation we are encountering before we can say anything definitively. Furthermore, we don't know enough about space, especially when it comes to microbial life. Humans have never left the orbit of our planet, or we don't even know how far space expands. For example, we recently discovered the star 7 light-year away, before technology wouldn't allow us to see that far. Another example is Mars. In the 19th century, people insist that Mars had civilization. From 1960 to 1970, we thought Mars was a dead world. In the early 2000s, we found that Mars actually had life. If we made an international law based on what we knew in 1960 to 1970, it might not cover what we need to protect. First, we need to learn what we need to protect before we can establish a law. Law might limit the scope of exploration, or conceivably, might damage life. We also believe that current law are enough. Right now, we have law and the guideline to explore space and prevent the contamination of space. We believe these law articles, for example, there provision for the freedom for all countries to explore space, protect life, promote international cooperation and understanding. Therefore, we are proud to oppose. Second, I like to rebuttal the contention. In the contention 1, the proposition side talk about the evolutionary potential. However, I do not understand the damage caused. What damage have we caused to microbial life that we must make an international law? Also, you see that we should protect microbial for the evolution. However, you never should help protect, and why you consider it is successful. Again, in his contention 2, the proportion side talk about the value to the universe and the diversity. However, we don't know what microbial life actually exists. Therefore, we must explore and do research. And in the condition 3, the proportion talk about effects. However, have an example that we are planning to talk over microbial life. So please explain this point. So I strongly believe we should not protect microbial. Thank you.